When you hear the word healthcare, what comes to mind? Perhaps it's thoughts of a medical clinic with caring doctors and nurses. And you'd be right. But let's consider healthcare on a much larger scale. Did you know there are teams of healthcare professionals working night and day to protect you from things like air pollution, testing your drinking water, and protecting you from disease? That's just the beginning. They're the Pueblo City County Health Department, your silent partner. Okay, take a deep breath and hold it. Now exhale. Feels good, doesn't it? Believe it or not, you've just come into contact with some of the finest healthcare professionals around. Really, you did. Public health is vitally important to all of us, but it's harder to appreciate. This is Buddy. In the interest of time, let's just imagine Buddy here represents the Pueblo City County Health Department. Now, as we explore some of the ways you depend on the behind-the-scenes efforts of the Health Department, we'll have Buddy here to help illustrate. You ready, Buddy? The Pueblo City County Health Department is committed to promoting good health and protecting the environment of the people of Pueblo County. How do they do that? There's lots of ways. The Health Department strives to make Pueblo County a safe and healthier community by providing leadership in the areas of prevention, education, emergency response, enforcement, and improving access to medical treatment. Well, don't just stand there, Buddy. You better get to work. Perhaps the single most important resource to any community is its water. The Health Department helps make sure that your drinking water is free of contaminants that could cause health problems. Now, of course, we've all got to eat, right? Well, most of us. You can bet the Health Department will be right there, making sure the food you eat is properly prepared in a clean environment. The Pueblo City County Health Department works with local restaurants and grocery stores to help make certain that health code standards are maintained in order to help keep your food safe. Buddy, not now. Some diseases, like the plague and the West Nile virus, are caused by exposure to insects and spread by various animals. For instance, the Health Department checks for flea die-off around prairie dog colonies, which could be a sign of plague. And the closer some bugs get to humans, the more care the Health Department takes in educating the public about domestic pets and controlling the flea population around families. And with the West Nile virus threat, the health department prevents harm or illness by collecting and spraying adult mosquitoes by the millions. Your Pueblo City County Health Department works hard to educate the community about ways to reduce chances of exposure, like making sure to use DEET insect repellent, especially at dawn and dusk. It's the health department's responsibility to help prevent diseases from spreading, even if the virus originates overseas. So folks around here, visit the International Travel Clinic right here in Pueblo. So even though you're on vacation 1,000 miles away from here, in a way, your Pueblo City County Health Department will be right there with you. Some of the nastiest bugs that cause disease in humans are too small to see. Your friends at the health department are responsible for controlling and investigating diseases like whooping cough, tuberculosis, meningitis, and the flu. The health department works hard to educate the county about safeguards against these illnesses. But they'll also investigate possible outbreaks of disease, and they'll be on the lookout for new kinds of early treatment. And don't forget, one of the most important defenses against communicable diseases is making sure that you're up to date on your vaccinations. Something the health department definitely encourages. Although rabies is very rare in humans, it can be deadly. Rabies is transmitted through the bite of an infected animal. The health department works closely with both animal control and residents to make sure that all animal bites and possible exposures are reported immediately. This way, proper steps can be taken right away. Another focus of the Pueblo City County Health Department is on maternal and child health care. Pregnant women and families with young children will find the health department an invaluable resource. Women can receive pregnancy tests and referrals to qualified healthcare providers. Also, mothers will find a helping hand with immunizations for their children, and even help with essentials like milk and basic food items, through the Women, Infant, and Children Nutrition Program, known as WIC. The Pueblo City County Health Department also inspects public places. For instance, they make sure the water at your public pool is free of contaminants. They also enforce state regulations that protect the health of children from daycare centers to high schools. They'll check the science labs and see to it that everything is in order, right down to the eye wash stations and chemical storage areas. Hey, what's wrong, buddy? You tired? You should be. Remember, you're representing hundreds of well-trained professionals. In addition to everything else, the health department has to concentrate on disaster preparedness. So what do we do in the case of a pandemic flu or smallpox outbreak? What about a biological, chemical, or radiological event? Well, you can be sure that the Pueblo City County Health Department isn't sitting around waiting to see what happens. No, they get together with several other local agencies like the fire department and police department and practice. So if disaster strikes, they'll know immediately what to do and how to respond. The Pueblo City County Health Department is very excited about the new STEPS program, which encourages all of us to get up and get moving. It serves as a proactive way to help prevent certain types of diseases that may result from an inactive lifestyle. We live in a very special place. Not too small, not too big. Made more special with a history of cultural diversity that's married to over a century of rich tradition and hard work. Pueblo is a loyal community with a sense of duty to each other. Throughout its history, the people of Pueblo have shown courage and selflessness, even in the darkest of times. We look out for each other.
Hi, I'm Dr. Chris Nevenwoods, Director of the Pueblo City County Health Department. We'd like you to know that although you may not see everything we do, we're always there for you.
Okay, action play. Okay, now don't, it looks like you're trying to kiss your ear when you do that. Okay. Let's go
I
back.
screwed up. I put my hand in the camera.
Why are we doing this and going over here?
Okay, one more time. I'm sorry.
Hi, I'm Dr. Chris Nevenwoods, Director of the Pueblo City County Health Department. We'd like you to know that although you may not see us everywhere
It's okay. You're allowed. Okay, and we are speeding. And
okay. We'd like you to know that although you may not see us all the time, that's not right.
Good boy, Clay. Good boy. There's a treat for you.
Hi, I'm Dr. Chris Nevenwoods, Director of the Pueblo City County Health Department. We want you to know that although... Never mind on that one.
It's okay.
Next, sit.
Action.
Oh yeah. Oh, so fabulous. Yeah. Oh, it's cold.
Cut! We need a new buddy.